Your morning sets the tone for everything that follows. 8 affirmations to start your day strong. Let's begin. I am a morning person. I am a morning person. I can wake up energized. I can wake up energized. I start strong daily. I start strong daily. People notice my energy. People notice my energy. Every day I wake up ready. Every day I wake up ready. Today I own the morning. Today I own the morning. I am alert immediately. I am alert immediately. I love early hours. I love early hours. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.